What's up guys, Joe here with the supplementreviews.org. Today I'm going to be talking about a product that has me very excited as well as a lot of other people in the industry. Now this is a brand new product that serves the purpose of a steroid alternative. And the reason this product is so great, well there are quite a few and we'll get into them in this review, but the primary one that has a lot of people excited is the fact that it beats out Crazy Bulk's d-bal. So for those of you who don't know, Crazy Bulk is a manufacturer that produced a product called d-bal, which mimics the effects of the illegal steroid dianabol. And this product, d-bal, is widely regarded as the #1 steroid alternative on the market until now. So we had d-bal ranked #1 on our website. It has now moved down to #2 because of this product. So I'm going to go ahead and explain as briefly as I can what makes this product so great, why it beats Crazy Bulk's d-bal, and why it is the #1 steroid alternative on the market. Alright, so without further ado, we'll get into it. So the first key point that I want to make is that this product is not just a steroid alternative. And this is important because a lot of people out there are asking me the question, what do I want to take? It's a very general question, but they're asking, do I take a testosterone booster? Do I take an HGH supplement? Do I take a steroid alternative? Do I take an IGF booster? People want to know what to take in order to build muscle. And the answer really is that most of those things work. So I don't want to just say that, take any one and I'm not going to give you any advice. So that question is very hard to answer, but I do get asked that question a lot. And I try to help people with their specific goals the best that I can. However, this product is very exciting because it actually is a steroid alternative, like I mentioned, and not only that, but the #1 ranked in the market, a testosterone booster, and an IGF booster. And the key ingredient that we're going to talk about a little bit later in this product is called 20-hydroxyecdysserone. Now, this ingredient is commonly referred to as the plant steroid. The reason being that it is derived from plants, so it's a completely natural ingredient. However, it is not a steroid like that nickname suggests. It simply is a steroid alternative. We're going to talk a little bit more about that ingredient next, but first I just want to mention that that ingredient actually boosts testosterone levels within your body. And when combined with the rest of the ingredients in this formula, it's going to serve as actually an effective testosterone booster. So while I wouldn't classify the supplement as a testosterone booster, it does have those effects. So it is going to free up testosterone in your body and boost your levels. The next thing I mentioned was that this is also an IGF booster. For those of you who don't know, IGF is insulin-like growth factor. And essentially all that is a shuttle for nutrients. So insulin-like growth factor, like the name suggests, it serves a similar purpose to insulin. So it's essentially a nutrient shuttle specifically for amino acids that goes directly to your muscles. So this is going to contain a lot of whey protein and effective amino acids for muscle building. And what the IGF does is serves as the shuttle for those nutrients, and it's going to put those into your muscles and allow them to grow. So a problem with a lot of guys and a lot of people who are trying to gain muscle is that the nutrients do not effectively reach the muscles. So the purpose of IGF, and the reason you see a lot of bodybuilders taking these supplements nowadays, is to allow those muscles to properly reach, allow those ingredients to properly reach their muscles where they can then be utilized for growth. So that's going to be the primary benefit of taking an IGF supplement, which, like I said, this is a steroid alternative. It is a testosterone booster, and it is an IGF booster all in one. That's the first key point that I want to make. That's what makes the supplement so great. Not only that, but the ingredient I talked about before, which is 20-hydroxyecdysserone. This ingredient is so effective that it's called, like I said before, the plant steroid. And the reason it's called that is because there have been several clinical studies done on this ingredient that proves it to be actually more effective than dianabol. And I'm going to read directly from one of those clinical studies. I'm just going to give you a brief sentence that basically sums up what the study was trying to find out, just so that you guys can see some of the proof for yourselves. So in regards to 20-hydroxyecdysserone, this study says, it actually has an even bigger anabolic effect on the contractile proteins in your muscles than the illegal steroid dianabol. So this clinical study actually proved 20-hydroxyecdysserone to be more effective than the illegal steroid dianabol. Obviously that's very exciting. Another reason that's very exciting though, aside from the fact that it simply is more effective than a steroid, is that there are no side effects because it's derived from a plant. So you're going to be getting even more benefits than you would from taking steroids without any of the side effects or any of the risks. So again, that's the second key point as to what makes this product so great and what makes it better than any of Crazy Bulk's products. And the last key point that I wanted to make is that Crazy Bulk's d-bal, which like I said before, this product was the #1 ranked steroid on our website. It contains 400 milligrams of nutrients per serving. And while that is a good amount of nutrients, and like I said, it is a very effective product, I don't mean to knock this product at all. I'm just trying to show you exactly how effective this product is. Like I said, d-bal, 400 milligrams of nutrients per serving. d-bal max, 900 milligrams of nutrients per serving. So this is over twice as potent as d-bal. Again, I've never seen anything like this before, and I don't mean to knock d-bal. This is just an amazing product. And like I said, it's brand new, so it's going to be hard to find a lot of reviews out there for it. But I can tell you with certainty that based on this formula, this is a fantastic product, and it is the #1 steroid alternative out there. Again, this is not produced by Crazy Bulk. I know the name is similar to Crazy Bulk's d-bal, but it is not produced by Crazy Bulk. It is essentially an extremely dramatically improved version of Crazy Bulk's d-bal. So again, I would, just to make it clear, I would recommend this supplement over d-bal by Crazy Bulk anytime. This absolutely blows d-bal out of the water. So that's really the last key point that I wanted to make. Just to sum it up real quick, you have a testosterone booster, an IGF booster, and a steroid alternative all in one. That's the first key point. Second key point, it's clinically proven to be more effective than the illegal steroid dianabol. Third key point is going to be the potency. So there's 900 milligrams of nutrients per serving. That's a very potent formula. And then the fourth key point is that ingredient. And now this is the ingredient that really is responsible for the rest of those key points, 20-hydroxyecdyssterone.